Bertemu kembali dalam Bisnes Sawani, dunia perniagaan dan keusahawanan semakin sengit dengan penyertaan begitu ramai ahli baru saban tahun sekaligus memacu ekonomi negara. Berbeza dengan bidang lain, bidang keusahawanan kini menyaksikan generasi muda atau generasi Y cenderung memulakan perniagaan berbanding memasuki bidang lain. Dengan kemajuan teknologi dan kemunculan cara perniagaan terkini, idea lebih segar dan juga kreatif tercipta dari minda muda ini. Dan bagi mengulas lanjut berkaitan penyertaan generasi Y dalam sektor perniagaan dan juga teknologi, bersama saya adalah pakar pelaburan alternatif iaitu Arthur Tan. Thank you so much, Arthur, for being with Business Sawani at this time. First, now
very good evening.
Thank you so much. All right, now as Gen Y in entrepreneurship, as we move into high tech nation with different kind of business methods, how do you see technology in business among Gen Y itself?
Well, I think I would say that the generation Y nowadays, especially involving business, is always on the go and is so fast-paced. So we really need to be equipped with what's happening with the current technology. And I personally find that people are more aggressive now, especially the younger they are, the more energy they have, and of course they are more aggressive. And I think most importantly is like the involvement of technology is very important because that's where you're able to cultivate our ideas and also, you know, to expand our creativity. So personally, I feel that, you know, technology plays an important role in that way.
And you also adapt to the technology in your business, right? You are as the alternative investment strategy.
Yes,
You can mention it a little bit.
Yes, okay, basically because in investment, there's so many updates and news that we always got to keep track. And due to that reason, we always got to constantly be involved with what's happening around the world. Because during clients' meeting, clients will be asking us really some intelligent questions, and that is very important. And we just constantly need to be equipped ourselves with the current news here.
And you are also, as the alternative investment strategy, maybe at a very young age, that's the most important part. And maybe tell us your aspiration and what drives you up to this level now.
Okay. Well, I would say that I have actually decided to become an entrepreneur or self-employed during my last semester, you know, in my university. Reason being is because firstly I would like to write my COO paycheck, and I always believe the harder I work, the more income, you know, that I'll get. And there's always a wise man saying that you rather want to work hard for 5 years and play hard as for the next 15 years. And of course, as a graduate of economics and finance, we're constantly being taught, you know, how to actually grow your money and how not to work for money, but money working harder for you. So with all this, you know, knowledge that has been instilled to me, it has gave me a very good insights about me, you know, involving like myself as an entrepreneur, and also to continue looking for passive income.
Maybe you can explain a little bit more about alternative investment itself and what are the focus in that particular sectors in your
Okay, first and foremost, alternative investment is a form of investment that has very low volatility to the conventional methods. For example, that it's not correlated to the economy of the country, whereby there are few investments that really highly depends on the economy of the country. So hence, if the economy of the country does well, then that's where the investment returns will be good. You know, but alternative investment will always be a good protection, you know, against, or I would say hedge against like inflation. So alternative investment doesn't really have a positively correlation to the economy of the market. And because of this reason, that's why we're able to give assured returns and assured time frames like, for our clients.
How do you persuade, especially maybe young age Gen Y, to maybe be part of the alternative investment, and how to make these things clear to them about alternative investments?
Oh, okay. First and foremost, of course, being an alternative investment strategist, you need to constantly be informed, you know, with the knowledge, and to actually bring back, you know, that's where initially we're talking about technology. I think clients are getting smarter even during meetings. It's also very mind-boggling because we are constantly being bombarded with very intelligent questions by the investor. So with that, okay, that is where I need is like, you know, good technology to assist me to equip me with information wherever I am. Even I got to say, as an entrepreneur, while driving, I also got to be informed and to be informative. And with that, that's where I actually found a really good gadget, whereby it's now my favorite gadget that assists me a lot of actually assisting me with finding information wherever I am. And with this, assists me in my work and leisure. This is something really cool, Najib, whereby I was able to to find information over here, and it has enhanced my work and also play at the same time. So there are many times while I'm driving, I'm always right at my Bloomberg to actually see what's happening with the global news. And because of this, gadget, Samsung ATIV Smart PC, that able to give me the convenience of a notebook and tablet. So I think, as a Gen Y entrepreneur, this is what I'm referring that technology must always be equipped with your on-the-go life. And definitely Samsung Smart PC Pro, a gadget like this has been created to really help a lot of entrepreneurs in today's challenging global market.
All right. Thank you so much, Tan, for being with us today.
No
You're a very
problem.
talented guy. I heard that you are a musician as well, right?
Yes, I'm a musician as well.
All
Yes,
right,
I play the piano and the violin.
Yes, there's a lot of things to talk about. He's a very talented guy. Thank you so much for being with us. But that's all the time that we have today. And good luck for your business and for your career as well. And itu dia tadi Tan, iaitu pakar strategi pelaburan alternatif, kerana berbincang tentang generasi Y dan juga generasi muda ini dan juga kaitan teknologi dan juga dalam industri perniagaan dan bisnes awani berhenti seketika. Jangan ke mana-mana.